at Roosevelt. And
Yeah.
Stop.
Yeah, because a bunch of some of my friends were meeting up there too. So
this is my favorite year Mustang. Well, body style.
Thanks.
I like the 90 extra frame.
Oh, really?
Well, I used to launch a 4000 back in the day.
Yeah.
And it just like when you popped out the trunk, it just like cracked the whole thing around.
And he's like, oh yeah, he just hit 500. He sent me a video doing burnouts and stuff. He said he loves it. It's perfect. Yeah. I'm like, why is mine so much trouble?
Yeah, my buddy got right in and went. He's like, the only thing I had to do.
That's it. Drop it in. 0 degrees.
Yep, that's how I did it. But
that's how I've always.
I brought mine in 8.
We didn't agree. We didn't agree. My camp, nothing like that.
And my one buddy's got a notch. He brought it to a guy.
And like, I'm like, dude, the whole way down 83, this red Mustang was trying to catch Evan. And sure enough, I'm like, you got you right by like the bridges on 83. So
You shocked me because I'm.
yeah. But then, trying to tell me about that. So what's happening is like low speed, just clutch in and clutch out real quick, like you're backing up or like keep pulling in. Mine idle's fine. It'll idle at around 750 or so, no problem. Yeah. All right, so I'm not the only one. I hate it. I wish I could say I do feel for you, but I feel better than I'm not doing. That's something cheap to replace, but
What regulator?
huh?
What regulator?
No, it's
Fetcho.